Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video on how to clean window tracks. Watch until the end to know how to clean your window tracks. Step 1. Preparation and removal of loose debris from window tracks. The first thing you have to do is to grab your cleaning supplies. If it's been a long time since the last time you cleaned your window tracks, you may require different supplies to make them look as good as new. You will need a good vacuum attached to a hose, a brush head that can also help break down the dirt on your window tracks, an old toothbrush or cleaning brush, thin. Alternatively, you can buy window track cleaning brushes. The brush features a special head that makes it easy to get to those hard-to-reach corners on your window tracks. A bucket or clean hot or warm water. Add drops of Dawn soap or dishwashing soap slowly to the water until you notice foamy bubbles. 2 towels, one that will dip into the water and a dry one that you'll use to dry any moisture off the windows. Consider grabbing vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, or baking soda to aid in breaking down any mold or tough dirt. Grab Q-tips to help you loosen stubborn dirt particles. Then vacuum up all the bigger pieces of debris and dirt. Use the vacuum cleaner with the hose to dislodge any loose dirt and debris from the window tracks. The vacuum cleaner will dislodge any loose dirt, debris, dust, dead bugs, and cobwebs. After vacuuming the tracks and dislodging as much dirt and debris as possible, you can use a brush attachment to scrub the tracks to dislodge more debris gently. Clean the hard-to-reach corners and tough spots. Loosen up the dirt with baking soda and vinegar. Attack the corners first, then work your way to the center. Consider removing the screen for separate cleaning. Pour a reasonable amount of baking soda onto your window tracks. Proceed to pour a small but enough amount of vinegar into your window tracks. The two will help dislodge any tough dirt your vacuum cleaner didn't get. Scrub the window tracks gently with a brush, and then use a towel to soak up the vinegar. After leaving the baking soda and vinegar to soak in and work for a while, go over the dirt with the toothbrush or a brush. Pull the dirt to the center of the window track, and use a cotton swab to clean the tight spots. Use a knife to lift the dirt and debris out of your window track. Lay paper towels on the window track and leave them to soak up the leftover grime and vinegar. Step 2. Cleaning the window tracks. The preparation step has helped the window tracks to be free of loose debris, and it's time to wash. Follow these next steps to clean your window tracks. The first thing you need to do is fill hot or warm water into a bucket and add soap. Depending on how dirty your window tracks are, you can use dish soap, natural or organic cleaning products. Natural cleaning products such as lemon or vinegar can clean your windows effectively if you want to use a natural approach. You can also get organic soap from the store for an organic approach. The second thing you need to do is dip a scrubbing brush into your cleaning solution and begin scrubbing the window tracks. Scrub the inside of the window tracks gently to loosen stubborn stains and any leftover debris and dirt. Scrubbing is pretty straightforward since you can use any brush, from a toothbrush to a special window track brush, or even a toilet scrubber. Pay close attention to the corners when washing to remove any dirt hiding in there. After ensuring you've washed all the dirt with your brush, it's time to rinse the soapy water. Soak a soft towel in clean water and wipe the window tracks. Squeeze the excess water before wiping to ensure it doesn't pool in the tracks. Be sure to wipe down the corners and main part of the window tracks. You should pay attention to the little grooves and crevices to ensure they're all well dried. Wipe the vertical tracks if you haven't done so, and any window part that you can reach. Lastly, finish by wiping with a dry towel to remove all the moisture. Leave the windows open to let it fully dry. To ensure your window tracks don't get damaged, you should clean them at least twice every year. The more regularly you wash your window tracks, the less work you'll have every time. You do not need to go through all the steps every time you clean the window tracks if you clean them frequently. A quick wipe with soapy water or applying lemon and vinegar may be enough to remove all the grime off and get your window tracks clean. However, if you wait a long time before washing your window tracks, follow the entire process to remove all the stubborn dirt and debris. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and let us know what video you would like to see next from us.